Have you encountered the frustrating issue of a blocked payment on Cash App with the message, "We blocked a payment on Cash App"? You're not alone. This common problem can disrupt your financial transactions and cause unnecessary stress. But don't worry. In this guide, we'll explore several straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue, so you can continue using Cash App smoothly and securely. Step 1. Review payment details. First things first. Double-check the payment details. Incorrect information can lead to transaction blocks. Verify the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email address to ensure accuracy. Look for any typos or incorrect entries in the payment amount. These small details can sometimes be the culprit for the payment block. Correcting these errors can often resolve the issue instantly. Step 2. Check your account balance and linked cards. Ensure that your Cash App balance is sufficient for the transaction. If the amount exceeds your balance, the payment may be blocked. Also, check the status of the linked debit or credit cards on your account. Expired, blocked, or insufficiently funded cards can cause payment issues. Updating your linked payment methods or adding funds to your Cash App balance can help avoid these blocks. Step 3. Verify your Cash App account information. Cash App occasionally blocks payments due to security concerns. Ensure your account is fully verified to avoid such issues. Access the app settings and confirm your personal information, such as your legal name, date of birth, and social security number. Full verification enhances your account's credibility and minimizes blockages due to security flags. Step 4. Review internet connection. A weak or interrupted internet connection can hinder transaction processes. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has strong cellular service. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference. A stable connection ensures smooth transactions and reduces the risk of blocked payments. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists after checking the aforementioned factors, reach out to Cash App support. Access the app, navigate to your profile, select support, and explain the problem. Be specific about the transaction details and any error messages received. Cash App's dedicated support team can provide personalized solutions and assist in resolving the payment block. Step 6. Monitor account activity for suspicious behavior. Fraudulent activities can trigger automated payment blocks. Regularly monitor your account for suspicious transactions or unauthorized access. If you notice anything unusual, contact Cash App support immediately and take steps to secure your account, such as changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Encountering the "We blocked a payment on Cash App" issue can be inconvenient, but it's often resolvable by taking these systematic steps. By verifying payment, encountering the "We blocked a payment on Cash App" issue can be inconvenient, but it's often resolvable by taking these systematic steps. By verifying payment details, ensuring a stable internet connection, and keeping your account information updated, you can minimize the chance of encountering this issue. Remember, if problems persist, reaching out to Cash App support is a reliable way to resolve them. Stay secure and enjoy hassle-free transactions with these proactive tips.